we always like to start the ball rolling with a good tech tip quiz. And, of course, the winner will receive a tech tip quiz prize package that includes the C&C Auto Show coffee mug or C&C Auto Show shirt. One of those two, and either one approve that you are a tech tip quiz winner. We'll go straight to the question. If a person is behind the wheel of a Tesla self-driving car and has had too much to drink and tests over the legal limit, can the officer arrest him or her? And to win, you must explain why. We may even have a little discussion about it. So give us a call and give us your thoughts on that. And you may win a prize as you do that. But I'm here with Taylor Bryant, and we are looking forward to answering your automotive questions. You can call from anywhere on any Saturday morning, 8 to 10 Eastern Time. The number's 800-224-9090. That's 800-224-9090. And you can also watch us live on Facebook or YouTube. Either one will work. Okay, we have some phone calls. Taylor, are we ready to go to some calls?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I like that, man. We're gonna go for it. How about if we go over here and talk to Frederick? Hello, Frederick, and welcome to the C&C Auto Show. What can we help you with today?
Yes, morning. I was calling in reference to you asked a question about with the Tesla for DUI, even if you're not driving.
So you have a comment on that. Let me read the question again just to kind of renew everything that we have here. If a person's behind the wheel of a Tesla self-driving car and has had too much to drink and tests over the legal alcohol limit, can the officer arrest him or her? And what are your thoughts, Frederick?
Well, my thoughts are, I guess it will fall under basically, the same rule as the understanding the part DUI law, where an individual can be, behind the wheel and not driving but intoxicated, or they can be in the vehicle and, perhaps in the passenger seat and not driving, but however, it comes under that physical control law, which is implied that in order for the vehicle to get there, the person had to have driven the vehicle, So that's where I think it falls in that category, physical control.
So just because it's a self-driving vehicle, that does not mean that they're relieved of the responsibility of being the driver. Is that correct?
Correct, because they still have physical control. They own the vehicle. So in order for that vehicle to get there and they're with the vehicle, it's still in their possession.
Okay, so we're going to first put you on the stage, and we're going to go through that. And so Frederick is saying that even though it's a self-driving vehicle, the driver is not relieved of the responsibility. Taylor, what are your thoughts on it?
I think that's, as of now, that's probably true, but that might be changing.
Well, and that thought is there. And one of the reasons I feel like that could change is right now, the Tesla or any of the other cars that I know of. Right. Now, there's some experimental, of course, cars that are out there that are still in beta testing and all that, but they're not fully autonomous vehicles. They're self-driving vehicles. And because of that, they are treated to the same vehicle regulations as any other car. It wouldn't matter if it was a 1928 Model T or a brand new FSD. What is it?
Full self-driving.
Yeah, yes. Fully self-driving. It don't matter. You're still responsible for what's going on that vehicle.
Yeah, and the car can actually tell you at any time, hey, you need to grab the wheel. And it'll disengage FSD and go, into a manual driving mode.
Now, from what I understand, there's some people that don't grab the wheel because they're asleep. People have been known to take a nap as those are driving. But here's the facts. I mean, we have some facts, and the facts are The facts are, Frederick, you're a winner. You have just won the Tech Tip Quiz prize, and you are right. And they, the person that thought that they could drive drunk because they're not actually driving the car are wrong. So you will be receiving a Tech Tip Quiz prize package.